The first thing is that maybe I should talk to the mandate of the department, that the department is central to, making sure that it improves the lives of those who are in need, beneficiaries of grants and all. And therefore, central to the work that we do, we have to make sure that we improve the lives of the people of South Africa to the better, especially those that are in need or in hardship. Secondly, I am aware that as we talk about the 100 days, the department has already submitted the strategic and the plans, including the budget, to Parliament. So mine is to make sure that we begin to implement, starting with the systems, building systems in the department and making sure that we appoint the right people in the right positions so that we can then be able to do our work as expected. The department actually manages about 300 billion budget in the year and servicing about 28 million people, South Africans, that are in need, that are in hardship, that are as beneficiaries that are receiving grants and some sort of assistance, including the 370, which deals with the people who had to bear with the situation of COVID-19 at the time.